Hello, my name is Jan Michael P. Medrano, BSIT 2-C. Today we are discussing about introduction of networking. What is data communication? Data communication is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Examples of data communications are email, text messages, phone calls, video calls. And examples of transmission medium is messenger, email, etc. 5 characteristics of effective communication. It uses the same transmission medium and language. Direct and indirect communication, mutual understanding, continuous process, use of words as well as syllables. What is data? Data refers to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. Data, facts, and statistics collected together for reference or analysis. Data is yung information na binibigay, sinesend o kaya nare-receive ng dalawang gumagawa ng data communication. 3 fundamental characteristics of data communication. Delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. So yung delivery is kung kanino mo isesend yung data. Accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Yung accuracy naman is kung gaano kataas yung percent na may sisend mo yung data sa taong sa receiver. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. So yung timeliness is gaano kabilis yung pag-send ng data. Components of data communication. Message, it is the information, data to be communicated. So, ito yung kung ano yung sinend mo. Kung file, data, video, or pictures. So, number 2, sender, it is the device that sends the data message. Kung sino yung nag-send, kunyari ikaw may send ka sa kaibigan mo na memes. So, means ikaw yung sender. And then, receiver, it is the device that receives the message. Yung receiver, kung sino yung pagsesendan mo. And medium is the physical path by which a message travels from sender to receiver. So, yung ginagamit yung app kung paano mo isesend yung picture sa kanya. Kunyari sa messenger. Ganun. Protocol. It is a set of rules governs data communication. So, ito yung kung ano yung pwede mong isend at hindi. Parang sa messenger, hindi ka pwedeng mag-send ng long videos, pero pwede kang mag-send ng link para ma-view yung video. So, data representation. Text, ASCII acronym, eASCII, Unicode, DISO, numbers, images, audio, and video. So, ito yung mga types na pwedeng mong isend ay data. Types of data na pwedeng isend. Data flow. Simplex communication is unidirectional. Half duplex. Each station can both transmit and receive but at the same time. So, pag sa half duplex, pwede kang mag-send. So, habang nagsisend ka, hindi ka pwedeng makareceive. Sa full duplex, both station can transmit and receive simultaneously. So, pag full duplex, pwede kang mag-receive habang nagsisend ka ng data. Performance, it can be measured in many ways. Transit time. It is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one device to another. So, kung gaano kabilis yung pag-transmit o pag-send ng data. Response time. It is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. So, ibig sabihin yung reply, kung gaano kabilis mo ma-receive yung reply. So, the performance of the network depends on many factors such as number of users. So, kung number of users, ibig sabihin is kung gaano karami is mababawasan yung efficiency niya. So, type of transmission medium, kung gaano ka-effective yung medium na gagamitin, capabilities of the hardware, and efficiency of the software. So kung gaano ka taas yung software mo is dapat kaya niyang i-keep up yung gagamitin mong medium. So reliability, it is measured by the frequency of the failure, kung gaano ka rami yung failure niya, yung fails na nangyari. B, time it takes a link to recover from a failure, and C, network's robustness in catastrophe. So kung gaano siya makaka-recover dun sa failure na nangyari. 3, security, how the network protect data from unauthorized access. Kung gaano ka-effective yung security niya para ma-defend niya sa mga hackers. Categories of network. Network is categorized with the following factors: size, kung gaano kalaki; ownership, kung sinong pwedeng may mag-ari; distance it covers, kung gaano kalawak; at saka yung physical architecture niya. Categories of a network: local area network, LAN 2; metropolitan area network, MAN; wide area network, WAN. Categories of network. Categories: size, ownership, distance, physical architecture. Example: LAN, size is building or campus. So, building or campus lang siya kalaki. Ownership, privately owned. Distance, few kilometers. Physical architecture, bus start ring. Example is laboratory network. MAN, size niya is parang city. Ownership, public or company. Distance, extend over entire city. Physical architecture, LAN. Example, cable network. One is globe, international. Ownership is public or private. Distance extends over entire globe, ibig sabihin sa buong mundo. Physical architecture is MAN. Example is the internet. What is network? Network is a group of connected communication devices such as computers and printers. A group or system of interconnected people or things. Network examples is the internet, laboratory network, cable network. Pwede rin sa example sa network is yung mga online games, since maraming nakakonect dun sa isang server. Parang ganun. And then, mid-1960s to 1970s standalone devices. Mid-1960s, ARPA, Advanced Research Projects Agency, DoD, Departments of Defense. 1967, ACM, Association for Computing Machinery, meeting ARPANET. IMP, Interfaces Message Processor. Mid-90s to 1970s, standalone devices. 1969, ARPANET Reality, 4 nodes. 1. University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. 2. University of California, Santa Barbara, UCSB. 3. Stanford Research Institute. 4. University of Utah. NCP Network Control Protocol. 1972. Windsurf and Babcan Interneting Project. Transmission Control Protocol, TCP. 1. Encapsulation, wrap then unwrap. 2. Datagram, UDP, prioritize time over reliability. 3. Functions of a gateway, between two networks. Shortly thereafter, TCP to TCP, higher level functions is 1. Segmentation, reassembly, error direction, IP handle datagram. TCP or IP, Internet's protocols today's. What is physical topology? Physical topology refers to the way in which a network is laid out physically. Physical topology refers on the interconnected structure of a local area network, LAN, the method employed to connect the physical devices on the network with the cables, and the type of cabling used all constitute the physical topology. Categories of physical topology. Mesh. Communication is point-to-point. 2. Bus signals are shared with the backbone cable. 3. Star. The signals are passing through the central device. 4. Ring. Signals are circulates within the network. Topology, advantages and disadvantages and feature. Mesh. Advantage is point-to-point link, robust, privacy or security. Disadvantages, expensive in cable and connection. Sheer bulk of wiring. Features N1 in connection. Bus. Advantages is less expensive than mesh. Is installation. Disadvantages is difficult reconnection, difficult to add station, limited number of station, and feature is backbone cable. Star. Advantages is point-to-point link, robust, less expensive than mesh. And disadvantage is using central device. Feature is hub. Topology ring. Advantages is point-to-point link to both sides only, easy to install and configure. Disadvantage is unidirectional traffic of signal. Feature, repeater.